that off going too fast. It's time to get on some other projects here. We got the Axial SCX24 124 scale with a 370 motor upgrade. Now I'm gonna plop that out. We're gonna throw in this 8200 kV. I have a 92 and an 82. We tried a 92 and that was pretty awesome. I'm just gonna use this because it's brand new. We're gonna toss this in here on that brass spur. So take those two screws out, pull the motor out, pull the pinion off, press it on. Hopefully that goes good. And after that, it's just take this out. So we gotta undo the drive shafts, and then we can take out the motor and transmission. On the brush motor here, we'll plug right into your stock ESC and be just fine. That's all you gotta do. But we're going brushless. So we're gonna go Surpass Hobby, 35 amp, Surpass Hobby. Cool new little thing we're gonna try out. A mini gyro Dumbo. It's the same microchip here, same chipboard and all that. They just they have the plugs going out the side, and they have it wrapped. I got a little double-sided tape ready to go. Our original motor sits this way. This new motor is gonna plop in right here. Alright, so we gotta do a little bit of modification. You gotta take this ESC tray off here, which also holds the shocks, and you gotta cut a little groove in it, and you're gonna want to get a Dremel to make it nice. First off, just pry the ESC off with a flathead. Next, I think it's a good idea to do our motor swap and install this, and then after the motor's installed, we can kind of see how far we gotta cut into this. Alright, just by heating the pinion up, it slid off pretty easy and I got it started. I heated it up again and pressed it on, and now to press it on farther, I'm gonna carefully use this larger pinion. Check the gear alignment, the mesh, tighten in the mount screws, and voila. Very, very nice. Next, let's get the drive shafts off, get the old motor out. 2 screws to get the drive shafts off, 3 screws to get the motor and transmission out. Next we gotta trim this a little bit, and I just used the same size can motor. Haha, I knew that little tiny vice grips would come in handy. And we're complete. Check it out, guys. 2430 8200 kV Surpass Hobby 35 amp. We got a Dumbo 6-channel gyro. It's running on a little 2S 500 milliamp little AA lithium battery right now. But look at that. We got, oh yeah, okay, let's go over everything. We got hot racing oil shocks with the stiff springs. So like, she's sitting up all the way. Pretty nice still. And then we got brass diff covers. We got the heavy thick ones. And then we also have hex spacers. So she has a little bit wider stance, which really makes a huge difference and looks really cool. We got a funky headlight, loose wire. But yeah. Now, when we do some speed tests, I might have to throw the Jeep body back on. You know, it'll have more room for a battery. That's gonna be really tight. I don't know. Might have to put it up in the back. But check it out. Like, put another battery in the back. She got plenty of spring. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. I turned the dual rate down to 50% just because it was catching a little bit, but Oh, we got signal. 2S. Whoa, oh, we flipped it. It's a little heavier with that GPS on. Dang, 4 miles an hour? Just smooth it out. Let's see, 4.2. Oh, almost. Nice weight. It doesn't fly off the ground. Oh, I can drive it. It goes this way. There we go. Pretty good weight balance. Let's go slow once. Yeah, that's pretty good. So quiet. Sounds so much better. That's really steep. Whoa. That dang hole. Whoa. 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 Oh, I should have just had it. Just gotta go for it. Oh, I didn't give it enough throttle. No. Oh, we landed. We lived. Oh, we're on limp mode. I was wondering what limp mode would be like. Can finally go a little slow. That's 500 milliamp. I could say this truck is complete, but things are never complete. I reached out to the official Nora store on AliExpress, guys, and I got some Smasher tires. There's gonna be a link in the video. If you need some Smasher tires for your SCX24, they come on the wheels with the right hex, bolt right on. All you got to do is have enough wheel clearance. So you're gonna need like a lift kit of some sort. I am gonna try adjusting the top point of the shock down here on the frame, and that should give us the lift for another video.